got sipping liquor in your hood. What the fuck is up, your buttercup?
How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to Sippin' Liquor in Your Hood on Obaine'sWorld. Today we've got more Bud Light Platinum Seltzers. We've got Wild Berry, and we've got Citrus. Wow, that's showing up a lot clearer. Man, they used too dark of a color on that font to make it legible whatsoever. But yeah, Citrus and Wild Berry, Bud Light Platinum Seltzers. This is a part 2. Got our magic cup here. Let's break the seal. That smells, again, like rotten fruit. This is citrus, by the way. Let's give this a pour. Just tastes mildly of Sprite, like very a tinge like Sprite. Not bad. Now the ones we had before were a little bit better. I'd give this, flavor wise, a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's not bad, not the best, but it's not bad. Let's give this a chug. Man, it is excruciatingly difficult to chug ice cold drinks. Now we've got Wild Berry. There we go. Decent enough, I suppose. Now, how does Wild Berry smell? Even better than the citrus, actually. This does not smell of rotten fruit whatsoever. It smells of candy, really. Like a berry-flavored candy. Let's give this a pour. Just give this a taste. Yup. The best flavor of the Bud Light Platinum Seltzers by far. This is smooth. It's delicious. Not my favorite liquor drink of all time, but it is damn good. Now, if you really want a good recommendation on liquor drinks you should try the Bud Light Seltzers tie-dye flavors. Holy shit, those are delicious. Get like pink lemonade, a few other really good flavors. Now they have Bud Light sodas too, which come in like cola, orange soda, citrus flavor. Those are good too. But this has higher alcohol content than those do, and you can sort of taste the alcohol, but really you just get a smooth berry flavor. Let's give this a chug. And so ends the Bud Light Platinum Seltzer sequel, part 2. Bud Light Platinum Seltzers. Should you drink them? Yes, you should definitely drink them. They're very good. All the flavors have some good flavor to them. They're higher than alcohol than most seltzers. And they're very delicious. Like top tier beers right there. However, if you want a tastier beverage at the sacrifice of alcohol content, try the tie-dyes. The Bud Light Seltzer tie-dyes. Those are phenomenal. Now, what else have I drank recently? Well, I've tried the Sunny D vodkas. They're pretty good. I've also tried the Dunkin' Donuts hard coffees. Don't drink those. Ugh. They're fucking nasty, man. Like, let me tell you, I had a couple of those. I chugged some. Offered my mom a sip. She thought it was the nastiest thing ever, and it was funny as hell. Don't drink Dunkin' Donuts hard coffee. It is nasty. You'd have better luck mixing Baileys and coffee. It's a really good combo. Now, I've also tried rum mixed with coffee, and it's fucking awful, too. Like, what is with, like, alcohol and coffee is a hit or miss, really. Mostly a miss. Because you get weird shit like malt coffee beverages, which are just fucking awful. Then you got Baileys, which actually pairs very well with coffee. Like, extremely well with coffee. It's fucking delicious. Thank you for watching. Peace.